this video to show how to configure the multi-sites. SpeedMiner supports loading of table from multi-databases, sites, or namespaces. For example, in this case, I have two tables, orders and orders 2. These two tables are same table structure, but it's from different gateway. That means different databases. Okay, for the orders is from nothing, and the orders 2 is from nothing 2. So in orders, when I browse the number record, I will have 830 records in this orders table, and this orders 2, which is from nothing 2, I have 3 records only. So how to combine these two tables in one? That means combine the data in one table. So to enable multi-site loading, go to site configuration and click on ETL and check the multi-sites and save. Now need to go to module multi-sites to create a group name. Can be any name. I name it as nothing data because I'm using the nothing database, and add the site. So I will name the first one will be site 1. It's from nothing. Site 2 is from nothing 2. Which means when you select this multi-site called nothing data, you will load data for these two sites. Click add. After that, we need to go back to the ETL to allow this multi-site to the table, which is orders table. So we right click on the orders table and select modify ETL class. You will see have a multi-site selection. So click on it and select nothing data that just now we have created. And click process. Click OK. You will notice the gateway will change it to nothing data instead of nothing. Okay. We need to check whether the data have been loaded in or not. So we right click on the orders table and browse local data. And click get row count and run query. So now our table have 3 records from the site 2. So to verify whether this 3 record is get it from the right site or not, so we can set the site ID will be generated in the last column after you add the multi-site. Site ID equal to site 2. Okay, there will be 3 records from site 2. That is all for configure multi-sites.